everybody, and thank you all for tuning into my video. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So I am starting to get back into party favors. So what we're going to do is we're going to create some Valentine's Day party favors that you can give to maybe your co-workers, classroom setting, or for a party. Okay, so I purchased these heart shaped plates from the from Target, and I got them out of the dollar section. So I'm just gonna open it up, and this is a total of 8 plates. I'm only gonna use one because I want to try out this new method. So have my plate. I love this little shredded paper from the Dollar Tree, so I am gonna put some of that in the plate. About this much is good for me, and then you just want to go ahead and start applying your candy or your toys, whatever you have to place inside. So I just had some random candy that I selected. Okay, so once you have whatever you wanted to place in the inside, I do have a paper bag, and all I did was cut it up, and I purchased this from Dollar Tree as well. And I have this paper straw. I purchased these from Amazon. It came in a pack of like 200, so I have a lot of those. Okay, and my new method of doing this is placing this on top. I want to have this sealed, but still where you can see what's inside, okay? So I think what I want to do is I want to place a little bit of hot glue at a time. So I'm not going to place it all over the plate at once. I'm going to do a section at a time. And of course, we do know that hot glue dries fast, so I do have to act quickly. On top of that, this is plastic, so I want to see how this turns out, but I'm going to make sure that I be careful. Okay. So it's down so far, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue now. But make sure you are careful pressing this down. So I'm just pulling and pressing, because I want this to be very, tight and sealed like it was when I first opened up the pack. That's exactly how I want it to turn out. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this, completely sealed. I'm just shaking it up just a little bit to make sure nothing falls out. And then the next step would be to cut off all of this extra plastic because that's no longer needed, okay? So just gonna go around, and I'm gonna be as close to the edge of the plate as I can. I have everything trimmed off, like you can see, turned out pretty nice. Now you can be completely done with this just like this if you wanted to. But I'm going to take that straw that I told you guys that I purchased from Amazon. I'm going to place that on the back, so we're going to have like a little lollipop going on. So I'm going to place a strip of hot glue. And this is pretty sturdy, plastic here. Paper here. So I trust that it'll be great. So I'm going to place it in the middle, hold it down for a few seconds. Okay, and now we have something that looks like this. This is the back and this is the front. Okay, now so I'm just going to take it an extra step further. So I did cut out some decals with my Cricut machine, and it just say Happy Valentine's Day on it. Now I'm going to be using this lint roller sheet. And I'm going to see how that adheres to the plastic. I'm not going to press it on there too hard because I do not want the sheet to get stuck to the bag. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this on here. I'm going to peel it off, and I'm going to put it on there ever so slowly, okay? Okay, so here I am placing on my decal, and I'm going to place that right in the corner up here on the right hand side. And like I said, I'm not going to press too hard because I do not want my lint roll sheet to get stuck to my plastic bag. So I'm just putting it on there just a little bit to to where the vinyl is adhering to the bag properly. And then I'm just gonna peel it all off. Okay, perfect. That worked out great. All right, now let's see the final reveal, guys. Okay, and this is how it turned out. Cute. Okay. All right, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you give it a try, definitely tag me. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share with your family and friends. Of course, stay tuned because we do have more videos coming soon. Bye.